Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Regular drinking green tea can help you lose weight and reduce your risk of several diseases including diabetes, heart disease and cancer. Drinking 3 to 5 cups of green tea per day seems to be optimal to reap the most health benefits. In fact, drinking more green tea may gently improve your health. And drinking green tea may even help you lose weight. The caffeine and catechins it contains have been shown to boost your metabolism and increase fat burning. Overall studies indicate that consuming green tea can help you burn an additional 70 to 100 calories per day. Green tea benefits contains healthy bioactive compounds, may improve brain function, increase fat burning. Antioxidants may lower the risk of some cancers, may protect the brain from aging, may reduce bad breath, may help prevent type 2 diabetes, may help prevent cardiovascular disease. Heat 2 cups of water in a saucepan until it gets simmer. Then add 2 green cardamom, 4 cloves. Remove the pan from heat and then add green tea leaves 1 teaspoon to the heated water. Steep for about 5 minutes. Strain it into a cup. Then add half teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix well and enjoy it warm or cold. Your weight loss green tea is ready. To avail the full antioxidants power of green tea, it must be consumed in between meals. This means you should consume it at last 2 hours before and 2 hours after your meal. For weight loss, you can have green tea right after your meals. Experts also suggest to have green tea right in the morning and later the evening. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share and comments to my channel. Thank you.